This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor, and I want you, if you've tuned this in, you want to know about unfiled returns and what the IRS thinks about unfiled returns and how IRS has made it easy for you with unfiled tax returns. You know, when I worked at IRS, we'd go out, bust doors down, pull out tax returns, summons bank information, and prepare all these back years, as many as we could find. Well, now IRS has really softened their stance. IRS has come up with a policy statement. Look it up yourself. Google IRS policy statement 5-133. Policy statement 5-133. IRS only wants the last 6 years. That's it. So you're thinking, well, okay, that's great, that's softened it, but now what am I going to do? Many people who haven't filed in 6 years don't have records. So IRS has acceptable standards which you can apply to your case. So in other words, if you're in the painting industry, a contractor, a doctor, whatever, IRS has standards that they're acceptable standards of expenses that they will plug in for you, and you can prepare your tax return really without audit. So there's really no excuse now not to file. IRS has your W-2s and 1099s, your tax preparer, us, whoever, you can go look at them yourself. Just go to irs.gov and pull up your tax transcripts. You will find your 4 different type of transcripts. Your wage and income transcripts will have your 1099s and W-2s, so that's a base to go ahead and prepare your returns. Listen, if you haven't filed in years, IRS has made it really, really easy, honestly, to prepare your tax returns with lost or no. You just got to go to someone who can reconstruct your records. We do that, so it's not a big deal. That's like just going to a diner and having breakfast served. It's just not that difficult. And as far as what you can't pay, well, IRS has 3 programs. They're either going to put you into a currently non-collectible where you can't pay, a payment agreement because you do have some money to pay, or you may be able to settle the debt. So at the end of the day, you can slide in this system. So as a former IRS agent, I just want you to know it's not going to be as bad as you think. It's not. I'd rather do this than go to the dentist. Anyway, give me a subscription. Thank you very much, and blessings.